Alrighty, another dodgy video from the dodgiest YouTuber out there. Just ripping across Sydney to pick up some stuff from the hardware store in the old SRT. Just basically doing videos of all my toys at the moment. This is my SRT, a Jeep. Alpha 147 GTO over there, 3 bikes over there. Got to go pick up some large items, so can't do that on anything else other than this rig. Anyway, here we go. It's only going to be about a 15-minute vid, 15-minute drive, something along those lines, barring the mutant factor. It's a Sunday, so who knows. 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon drive is coming home. Anything is possible here in Sydney. Yeah, just doing lots of random videos. Currently got me 360 mounted. Don't know how it's going to work. Don't really care. Don't know if I've got the editing software for it. Obviously I've got the Gopro apps and all that sort of bullshit, but anything could happen. And the mount's a little bit on the old. How you going? Farther side. Oh, cops, no. Fire. Yes. Long story short, video could be good, video could be shit. The camera's great. It's the fucking knobhead operating it. No tunes. Could, but won't. Hopefully that camera's not too bouncy because I've got it on a pole and a single suction cap on the window. Have a 3-pronged suction mount on order. It'll be coming. Stick that on the window, hopefully whack the poles on it, because having this mounted as it currently is with the single is probably better for my GoPro 9. Nice blue Mustang coming up the rear end, which would mean that is most definitely not a current model because it's in my favourite blue, Grappa Blue or Grappa Blue. Same blue that's on the Focus RS, so it means it's an old one. Favourite colour, not favourite car, 18 plus Mustang I want, and I will get one day, but I want that blue. Hopefully he overtakes me. Anyway, this video is more of a test than anything. It's a Jeep SRT, but it's not rare as rock and roll shit, everyone knows it. It's just one of my toys. I'll be videoing all my stuff eventually. I'll put a video on the GTA, on videos. I just video all sorts of rubbish, whatever, don't care. Interesting for others, maybe. Interesting for me, maybe. Give a shit. Definitely not. Life is what it is. I'm retired, I'm happy. I don't really care. I'll just do my own thing. And I don't think we're going to get the Mustang. Got new brakes on this car, got new tyres. I burnt them out a long time ago. Well, the brakes I burnt out recently. The tyres were well and truly on the way out. Well and truly. 2,500k trip. 2.5, 2,000 plus, 2,000 k's plus, and the tyres were already knocking on wood. So they technically would have probably been best off being replaced before I even left, but I thought, bugger it, this is right out them last 2,000 k's. Done, new tyres, sweet. About the same time the front brakes went. So everything underneath the car now, Mickey Mouse. Alright, we'll stick it in auto just to soften things up a bit, because this section of road's going to be a bit alarm here, Malky. Definitely 2.6 bar, 2.8, 2.8, 2.9, and then 2.6. I already got them to fix the fucking thing. Anyway, might still have a slow leak. Yeah, traffic's alright for a Sunday afternoon. Hoping to grab the R1 and take it out for a rip. Not to be. I'm not an early riser. I'm retired. I'm 50. That's my own thing. And that means I'm going to bed a little bit late. Then so be it. That said, summer's around the corner, the days are getting longer, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. It's all good. We're just coming out of winter at the moment. And you are a dickhead. Some people do not belong on the roads. He's in fuck, he's halfway and can't even pick a lane. Seriously, man, Sydney, I tell you right now, I have no dramas giving fucking people grief. Half of these fucking knobheads that do not deserve to hold a licence. We live in a first world country with so many third world fucking immigrants here. They still think they're driving in fucking Mumbai or Bombay or fucking whatever fucking slum they come from. You think I'm joking? Well, I'm telling you right now, I'm not. We have got some woeful drivers of many nationalities from many varying fucking shitpot countries in the world here in Sydney. I wouldn't trust half these clowns with fucking push bikes, let alone on motor vehicles. Anyway. And we're almost there. Might even video it on the return trip, maybe. See how we go. But for now, Homemaker Centre. So where all the marriedy losers come on their weekends to do marriedy loser things. Guilty as charged. I'm coming here to pick up some doors and some cabinets stuff. Some DIY caboodle cabinets for the house because the mess is lost as shit. So I'm off doing some man stuff. I needed the storage anyway. They're kitchen cabinets, but I'm putting them in the lounge room, dining room, lounge dining. Up against the wall, boom, boom, boom. 3 massive cabinets. Got the carcasses. Now I just need to pick. I have to order the doors because I'm gonna pain in myself. There we go. Hey, you followed me. My favourite blue Mustang. Why didn't they do that colour for fucking the 2018 pluses? Because it's not in vogue anymore. That's what I refer to. That's me. That's what I refer to as the E46 M3 blue. That's when I kind of first remember it. So it's an early 2000s colour, which has survived for a good dozen years. So it's done pretty well. I think the sort of hot colour recently is varying shades and different types of greens. I think the new Audi RS's come in a pretty tidy green. Porsche has done some pretty tidy greens. Mopar's got some tidy greens out at the moment. I suppose what I'm trying to say is a green is the new M3 blue. Because if you remember, that blue was also on the Polestars. Porsche did it on a couple of cars. Focus RS, oh that's a Ford again anyway. Jaguar RS, they did it on a lot of their Jaguar RS's. There's probably a few other manufacturers out there as well, but yeah, oh, I do love that blue. But I refer to it, or even in Australia here we did it. Australia, you know, the Pontiac G8s, you know, the Chevy SS's. Well, back in the early 2000s, we also, Holden's dead now by the way, we also had Monaro's had a comeback, which is the 2-door, well, that's your Pontiac G8 if you're an American. Pontiac G8? Pontiac GTO. Oh my head. And yes, I'm about to go and take up 2 car spaces because I don't trust these fuckheads. But yeah, anyway, 2004, 5, 6, we came out with the Monaro with the blue colour. We also had a nice brown tiger mica, browny bronzy type sort of thing. No, that's not 2 spots. I definitely need to take up 2 spots. Otherwise, some fuckhead in some shitbox like that thing, again another third world fucking hobbit, he doesn't give a fuck, smashed car all over the place, and I've had it. That side of the car got cleaned up by one of those fuckheads. Yeah, little brown skin boot from fucking Mumbai country somewhere. Barely even speak English, car wasn't insured, not even sure if the car was registered. So, yeah, I'm prejudiced, absolutely. I'm also well insured for idiots like that. Anyway, yeah, here we are. So, enough of the shit talk. I've got to now go in and make the missus happy. Might video the return journey. Add it to it, 14 minutes, see how we go. Go grab some stuff and might see you later. If not, I'll see you on another vid with some more turd talk. Could be an Alpha, could be on a push on a motorbike.